Alright, y'all, so I just got this new blow dryer brush, and y'all probably have seen this on TikTok. What is this? The Revlon One Step Hair Dryer Volumizer. Looks like this. And I just want to show y'all how freaking straight got this so quick. So I'm going to just show y'all the next half of my hair. This is wet. This is what my hair texture looks like when it is damp. Oh my god, like, oh my gosh, it's so full, so much body. And it can be straighter than this. I'm just about to get a braid down, so I didn't get it that straight. But what? And I did this in like 5 minutes. To get my hair like this, and it would not take 5 minutes. Like, what? Alright, and here is the finished touch. I forgot if I said it or not, but I'm getting my hair braided down for a wig, so I didn't get it that straight. But I am very happy with the results. My hair would not look like this if it was with a regular blow dryer. This is what my hair looks like after my hair has been straightened and a week of that. Like, it just got frizzy. It probably rained. This looks good. I love it.